Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Today I've got this 2020 Ford Ranger four-wheel drive Lariat that we just picked up, and it is one gorgeous truck. 134,000 miles on it, I think, but let me get through this video with you before you decide to pass on this one. We've got it priced accordingly as well, but beautiful truck, accident free, not a northern vehicle, so no rust underneath of it, very nicely equipped, and as you can see, great colors. That all blacked out look is really hot on this vehicle. Great set of tires on it all the way around. The paint and body are in excellent condition. Of course, you've got your minimal amount of road rash on the front end of it, on the hood, which is not much at all. Very little road rash on this vehicle. The headlights, as you can see, are nice and clear. They're not all fogged up. And it has one hairline scratch right here at the edge of the fender and the hood on the passenger side. All four of the wheels are in great condition with no curb rash or damage on them. And as you can see, great set of tires. Fixed running boards. This is the 2.3 liter four-cylinder turbo, and again, as well, the FX4 off-road package, backup proximity sensors, tow package, backup camera, nice tonneau cover on it. And as I was saying, that 2.3 liter four-cylinder turbo is 270 horsepower with just over 300 foot-pounds of torque. Nice spray and bed liner already there. This thing is slick. It turned out really nice, cleaned up really well. Get you to the inside here. Nice set of WeatherTech mats already in it. Of course, power driver's seat, and minimal to any wear on this driver's seat at all. Little wear spot right here on this bottom corner. Kind of a weird spot for it to wear, but there it is. That's it. And there's no evidence of it having been smoked in before. Four-wheel drive, of course. All that works like it's supposed to. Does have heated seats, driver and passenger side climate controls, and of course the touchscreen head unit here. Bluetooth, of course. Navigation. I'm not hooked up to it right now. And again, as I mentioned, backup camera, but nice sounding stereo in it, and not 134, it's 132 298. Sorry about that. I'd rather be wrong and it be lower. It does come with two sets of key fobs, USB, normal power plugs here, and then your owner's manual is still in it. nice stereo, sounds great. And quite a bit of room in the back seat here. Sorry, so much glare. But it doesn't look like anybody sat in the back seats. Let's see, where's the button? It's not a button, it's a strap here that unlocks that. So you got a little bit of storage here underneath of that rear seat, and then additional power sources in the back. And rear sliding glass. Yeah, I know. There we go. Nice and clean underneath it here. And we just serviced it. The oil was still had, I think, 40% life left in it. We went ahead and changed it back and reset that up to 100. And then we just had it Virginia State inspected. We've also checked all the other fluids and got this thing jumping and ready to go. So we got it for you right here at Holiday Motors, 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. We've been right here since 1974. Online at holidaymotors.com, where you can find the history report, application for credit, and we can also help arrange shipping and delivery. And always top dollar for your trade. Thanks for watching as always, and we look forward to hearing from you.